This is OUKITEL WP35, and today I would like to share a few advices on how to prevent and fix overheating issues on this device. So let's begin this video by learning how you can prevent overheating, since it is, more effective to prevent an issue from occurring than to fix it after the fact. So the first advice that I have is to try avoiding exposing your device to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. If you have to leave your phone laying around somewhere outdoors, make sure that it always stays in a shadow. Another advice that I have is that you use the proper charging equipment, since in the majority of cases the root cause of the overheating is going to be battery. And if you charge your battery improperly or not as manufacturer intended, should I say, it will lead to overheating of the battery, hence an entire smartphone. Then, once the overheating already occurred, you can kinda help your device to cool itself down by launching settings, entering the battery category, and enrolling the battery saver feature, which is going to artificially cap or artificially reduce the system performance and processing speed, which will also, reduce the power consumption and, once again, will generate less heat. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.